Well, there you go, guys. It's roughly welded in. It's, you know, spot weld here. Like I said, blew through a couple of areas right here, but like I said, it's all done here. I just gotta finish screwing with this corner here. This one right here. I started putting in a welding rod right through there, and then all I can do is, I can't get to the inside here because there's a shield in here. Don't know why it's there, but so all I'm gonna do is just weld a little weld something to this, or just use one of my little bent little hook tools and just pull this up and go along with it. But it didn't turn out too bad. This is nice. It's got a nice curve to it. This side here, I'm not too sure what happened. Like I said, this has got support underneath it. And you push it down, you can hear it hitting the other one. But this has nothing in it. Like, it's a little bit of oil can. So I was thinking, if I heat that up and cool it real quick, well, it'll tighten up like that. You know, like it's, the most is right here. This area right here. Because you push up here, it's a little bit this, but this is weird. Yeah, so if I get that to come up like that, that'd be the same as that one. So that's what I think. That's it. I guess, you know, when I was welding it, whatever like that. But I didn't stay too long in any one spot. But who knows? So it came out so far pretty cool. So yeah, it tacked nicely. But one thing I just learned is that, boy, when you weld with gas and a MIG, it likes nice clean metal to weld to. Anything in, you get a little tiny splatters. Because I bought a roll of 030 flux wire. I tried welding with that. No, not my thing. I mean, I probably could if I took my time, but I didn't want to. I was only bought it because it was windy out here. I thought that's how it was going to be for the next few days, but it turned out to be nice. It's nice right now, nice and calm, just starting to cool off. But anyhow, yeah, and there's a couple of areas that I blew through, you know. But other than that, a lot of the welds came out pretty decent. But like I said, when you use gas, it likes nice clean metal to weld to. So what I gotta do here, so as you will see there, let me see if I can zoom in there. I think I'm looking at that. Let's see, am I looking at that? I'll point to it. Yeah, right there. As you can see, this hood is lower than that. So there's two things I could do. One, I could cut out this strip here. This here came from that hood. See, finger? Okay, this came from that hood. So, and it's an inch either side. So, and that's what I did here. I don't know if I'm going to do it, but I measured it up. So it's an inch from either side. Maybe a little bit less, so it's okay, you know, room to fudge with. But then doing that will bring this up to here. Or what I could do is, I don't know how this would look. I mean, either way, you know, it doesn't really matter, because if that doesn't work out, then I'm just going to cut that out. But I could cut, let's see, where are we here? Hope you can see this okay, the sun's going down. I could cut this back. I don't know how far I need to go. Give it a good inch or whatever like that. And then lift this up to here. So lift this up to here. See, good with the pointer now too. So it would kind of give it a little weird, I don't know. You know, I don't know how it would look. It'd be kind of like just a flare up right here. Then it would come up and flare. Yeah, it would. I'm sorry. See, there I go. It would kind of, the flare here. If you cut back this far, it would kind of flare this up if you could, and then when you're looking at this, it would kind of like flow down and flare into a low spot, and then come up at the ass end here, which is not too bad actually. It's you know, you run your finger or you run your finger over this, and it's pretty much the same height. I mean, I could, when it's all said and done, if I had to, put a spot of Bondo on there or something like that, but yeah, there's maybe, I don't know, your finger just grabs when you go across it. And see, this has a support in here. It's hitting that. Well, this doesn't. So this came down. But see, as you can see that better here. See? Yeah. Well, it doesn't now. Huh, what happened? Well, yeah, see? It oil cans. So because that has support and this doesn't, so what I'm going to do is, I'm going to cut this piece. I don't know how I'm quite going to do it, because all of these 19 inches, but I want to cut it, see, there, and then measure what that is, because all I need is 19 inches. Take out the extra from the middle here, shrink this down, weld it back up, and then see if I can place it in between here and here, kind of make it look like it's supposed to be there, because it's got some nice curves. You got some strength right here. So yeah, this is really turning out to be more than what I anticipated. And then tomorrow, which is Sunday, if it's nice, I may not do any more on the top right now, but flip it over and concentrate on the inside. Then, like I said, after I can figure out when we do this. But I think what I'll do is with this here, I will cut that back, because the hood's not stock anyhow. So, why should I be worried about making stock ribbing down the middle, when as long as this mates up here nicely, which I'll make that do. I can even cut that a little bit, but I can't get in there, so I'll have to figure something out with that. Maybe build up a little bit of weld and, grind it down nicely. But yeah, so like I said, it's not a stock hood anymore, so whatever I do to it, I do to it. So I don't want this vid too long. I've probably been yapping for quite a while. But yeah, so that's what I'll do. I'm going to cut this back. I don't know. A good inch. And see if I can pull this up. I'll just take a screwdriver and stick it in here. But yeah, what the hell? Nothing ventured, nothing gained. Okay, so I'll try to keep this short. I don't know how long I've been here yapping, but that's my progress for today. It turned out a lot better. There were some hairy times and everything like that, But it's live and learn. I've never done anything like this. And the only thing I should have done, which I didn't do, was when I was welding, had a wet rag and then just cooled it right away. Hey, live and learn, eh? So anyhow, everybody, the sun's just going down here. It's 6:45 on the beautiful Sunshine Coast of British Columbia. So I know, blowing my own whistle here. But anyhow, that's it, folks. So and one other thing. And this is the middle piece. Like I said, I just shot it up. I'm either gonna cut this and bang this down to make more of these. I don't know, but that's why I didn't paint it. But I just shot it with some what is it? You guys get it down there too. Krylon. It's not bad, Like I said, I don't care what it looks like, because you're never gonna see that. And and I'll concentrate on getting this piece in tomorrow and all the inside done. Then I can come back on this and worry about it. Okay? Well, everybody, I'll shut up. Everybody, hope everybody had a good day, and have a good Sunday. If you're off, enjoy it. So everybody, for now, take care of your family, love them, and peace out, and build on. Bye.